Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the cards that sold on eBay on March 15th, and I had 3 sales on HIP. Much better day today, or yesterday actually. 208 on eBay for 17 orders, 3 on HIP for $28 and some change. And then I had my aviation store had a $500 day over there, so we're looking at, and I'm not going to go over those cards, but we'll just, for what we always do daily, I'm at 236 on 20 orders, but overall I had a $700 day, so pretty good. We'll go ahead and get started here. This is Boy and Girl, Kiss Me Kid, I'm Sterilized. Artisan Charles 12 Trees. A little bit disturbing message, I think. Where's Charles 12 Trees? There's his, I guess not really artist sign. Usually his stuff he'll have a weird signature, but still, I call this artist signed. $5.99 for that card. Next, I'm not even going to try, but it's pretty much a boy and a girl on a Vespa scooter. But it's a greetings from a... Is it a greetings? Oh, hold on here. Oh, it's up here. It's greetings from this place in Dutch, I believe. $12.99. This card came from... I think this came from the Postcard Club meeting, I believe. That's either there or somewhere else. I can't quite remember, but $12.99 for that card. I just listed it not that long ago. This is Postcard Beautiful Woman with Flower bunch hand colored Schlesinger. I think I just talked about these the yesterday or the day before. $9.99 for that one. This is Laughlin Town Old Compass Inn, real photo. Buyer bought 3 different Laughlin Town postcards. I found these in an antique mall for I think $1 each. And anytime you find a real photo for $1, you buy it. And I thought it was a great deal. And come home, and there are so many of these cards out there. And I think they're all coming from the same dealer in Pennsylvania. I think he just has cases of them because I see them everywhere. But I was happy to get $9.99 out of that one. Here's same town, bird's eye view. Paid $1 for it, $9.99. And then this one at the high school. Also paid $1 and $9.99. This is Martinsburg, West Virginia, Schopert's Ford Bridge. I believe that is Route 11 now. And then that bridge, at least the last time I was in West Virginia, wasn't there. $9.99 for that card. Eldora, Iowa, bird's eye view of public square and town, circa 1909. And that sold for $12 on a best offer. Miami, Florida. Is that Shangri? What is that? Not. Oh, it's Shangri-La. I forgot the. Oh, there it is. Shangri-La. Chinese restaurant interior. Happy Buddha. And that sold for $4 on a best offer. I've had this for quite a while. I can tell by the bad cropping back when I didn't know how to change the settings. Yeah, that's not good. You gotta be able to show the whole card. But anyway, $4 best offer. Another Eldora, Iowa, 1916 View Public Library. Went to the same buyer. $5 best offer. Next is Illinois State Map View Greetings Illinois Cities Roads Attractions. That's usually when I get these state view map cards like that. That's usually what I put: cities, roads, attractions. $4. Usually find these in the 50-cent, quarter to dollar box, and they usually sell $3 to $5, $6, something like that. Large letter greetings from Wildwood by the Sea, New Jersey. Came in that large letter greetings from Jersey beach towns I bought. Paid $2 or $3 for this. $8.99. Next is Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, the Venice Restaurant Interior Bar. And the same buyer, I'm not sure if it's next or not, but they bought another one. $9.99 for that card. Yeah, they bought this one also. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, original Schnockey's Oyster and Crab House Dining Room. So a little, like a small diner. Pretty cool card. $24.99 for that card. Beautiful woman. Was it Portia? Red shawl. Tux. I'm not sure where the Portia comes from. I think that's a tux, so I probably got that from the back of the card. I'm not sure. Let me see. Got this. I don't even know where this came from, but I got $11.99 for it, and I'm sure you all get this too. When someone buys it and they pay, or they don't pay for shipping, they get free shipping, and then as soon as they pay for the card, they're like, "Hey, can you ship it tracked? How do I pay you to ship it tracked?" And there's really no mechanism in eBay for them to pay shipping. So the buyer said they're afraid they're not going to get it. So that's never a good sign when they're already saying they're not going to get it. We'll see what happens. Ocean City, Maryland, Smith Cottage Rooms Hotel Inn. And just some of the beach towns. I think I cover Ocean City, Maryland in my beach town video. I may not. But this one I got $20 for. Next, another one of those World War II era humor, sailors, and a mermaid. It says I don't have any left. I actually think I might have one or two of those left. So I've sold, again, probably 40 to 50 of these, I think. Something along those lines. Christmas Wish poem, Planted Christmas Tree, 1919 Christmas Seal. Kind of bad condition, some staining. Still $3.99 for that card. I'll show you the back. There's the back. Next, Charlestown, West Virginia, Jefferson County Courthouse, John Brown inset. Neat courthouse. I spent many years sitting and listening to cases in that courthouse. Neat courthouse. $5.99 for that card. And over on HIP had the three orders. This is St. Louis, Missouri, Civic Center, Bush Memorial Stadium, and Arch. I have a couple of these, $5.99 for that card. And this is Miami, Florida, Airview, Miami Stadium Baseball Field Vintage Linen. And that one sold for $9.04. And then Shepherdstown, Pennsylvania, Greetings, Horse Buggy, Stone Bridge. There's that. And that sold for $13.49. So a good, decent day on eBay. $236 just on this store in HIP. Okay. I hope your sales are good and get better. And that's it. And have a good day.